Cloud in the sky as we head into our evening here in the FM area after another round of showers and thunderstorms to begin the day. That rain totaled up to about 13 to 15 100ths in North Fargo, but reports of upwards of 1/3 of an inch in many locations across the southern metro and in Moorhead. Right now, though, the heat is on. It's not super hot out there, 82 degrees. Those dew points pretty sticky and the wind gusty out of the southeast. Take a look at the heat in central South Dakota. Triple digits in Pierre. We can see this white hotness out here in central South Dakota. Then we can draw a line right through parts of North Dakota and South Dakota. Gets a lot cooler to the north of the line. So our northwestern or northeastern counties rather just breaking into the 80s right now. 81 Thief River Falls and Badette, 79 in Devil's Lake as we take a look. Alexandria at 82 degrees, Fergus Falls in the low 80s as well. But Bismarck is sizzling at 90, as is Aberdeen, and out to the west is where we have stormy air. Now, not only do we have that heat, but combine the humidity and the dew points in there, we have a heat advisory for our South Dakota counties. It does include Traverse County down here until tomorrow. Hot and muggy. Heat indexes over 100 will be likely. That means remember to drink plenty of fluids. Do not forget about your furry friends in the vehicle or the children either. Take frequent breaks and find shade. Shade can be 15 degrees cooler than being out in the sun. Not only is it cooler off in north central parts of Minnesota, but it's also a little drier. Dew points in the low 60s there, closer to 70 to 75 out to the west. And look at this. Once again, after damaging storms, as you heard about right here on Valley News Live, down in the Watford City area, another potent line of storms along a cold front is moving east and expected to move in our general direction. But this evening, get out and enjoy the evening hours. It's going to be warm, low 80s, temperature slipping into the 70s by 10 o'clock and nary a cloud in the sky. Where you see the wind arrows is where things will be windiest. We're talking 15 to 20 mile per hour south-southeast breezes. Overnight, I want you to focus on what happens along the international border. There will be a chance of some showers and thunderstorms anywhere along the international border as we go, say, between 3 or 4 in the morning and about 7 in the morning. Our model keeps most of this up in Canada, but thunderstorms like the ones last night can sometimes go in their own direction. So we'll keep our eyes on that. You start your day with temperatures near 70 to 75. Midday already sweltering. If you're taking a lunch break down south, could be near 90 already, and gusty winds over 20 miles per hour. 80s north. This line of clouds associated with that cold front that will be pushing in anywhere along this in the afternoon. We could see thunderstorms develop. There'll be a risk of severe in that 90-degree heat. Well, then we'll take a little bit of a cool down later at night. So temperatures reach those low 90s in Fargo, gusty south-southwesterly winds to 20 miles per hour. Best chance of severe weather appears to be from the Red River Valley into central Minnesota. Wind and hail, the main threats for your Wednesday evening. The heat right through the Red River Valley and southern counties, a little cooler, but still a warm day in Lakes Country with mid and upper 80s likely from Bemidji and points north. Dipping the toes in the lake wouldn't be a bad deal. This is Middle Cormorant. Thanks, Mary, for uploading your dandy photo there. Now, after a stormy Wednesday evening, Thursday looks quiet and a bit cooler, mid-80s. 90 as the heat returns on Friday and Saturday. Saturday night, a more potent cold front moves through Andrea. Notice the 70s next week. Don't know whether to knit a sweater, get the long johns out, or just enjoy some comfortable temperatures.
Enjoy, because no doubt those 90s will be back.
It happens this time of year.
Thanks,